In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to top up Opay target savings. So basically, you have money today and your target saving is tomorrow. You can actually top it up, or maybe you have extra and just feel like, okay, next month there might not be enough for you. Just want to top it up for this month so that you feel relieved next month when you don't have enough with you. So all you just have to do, just open your Opay app, then navigate to the finance down below. Then on this page right here, you can see target. So just click on target, then you're gonna select your Opay account. So it's gonna show just like this. Then under your savings that you want to top up, just click on it. Right, so you can see top up, break, and settings. So once you click on top up, that means you want to add money to your current balance, current savings. You can see I have 50,000 there. So if I click on top up, they will ask me how much did I actually want to top up. So I'm gonna put in the amount right there, then click on top up. Then they're gonna charge the money either from my card or from my Opay balance itself. So it depends on which one you actually want to use. So let's say I want to top up 7,000 for example. So I'm gonna click on top up. Then it's gonna show, you can see I have my card right there and I have my Opay balance. So if the money is available in my Opay balance, it's gonna show just like that. But you can see the money is actually much than my what I have in my Opay balance. That's why it's not showing. So they asking me if I want to use my bank card to get the money. So I can also use that to pay, and then the money will be the top up will be added without any issue. So that's how you can add how you can top up your money in Opay target savings.